All right, friends, let's go ahead and get ready for math. Now, what I need for you to do today before we get started with anything else is I need you to make sure that you are in a place right now where there are no distractions for you, okay? If the TV's on, I want you to cut it off. If you have siblings that are bothering you, I want you to try to go to another room. I need your 100% undivided attention today because this lesson is going to be one of the hardest ones we will do all year long. Okay? So, find a place where there are no distractions so that you can focus 100% on Miss Gates. If you promise to do that, and if you promise to listen and focus and try your hardest, this lesson is going to be easier than it would be if you are very, very distracted, okay? So find a quiet place. If you can't watch this video right now because there's too much going on, don't do math right now, okay? I need you to do this math lesson when you can give me 100%, okay? So, here we go. Today, we are going to be looking at Tara West, our math lesson 3.7, okay? Right now, what I need you to do is I need you to find the page in your packet that looks like this, okay? It's not going to be in your workbook. It's going to be in those pages that Ms. Gates ran off that are kind of like the games, okay? So I need it to look like this, okay? And you need it to be in a sheet protector, okay? If you don't have this page, that's okay. Get a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, okay? You can still do this lesson even if you don't have this sheet, but you're gonna need a whiteboard or a piece of paper or something because our I can statement says I can draw and use base 10 blocks to subtract 2-digit numbers with regrouping, okay? So you need something to draw on, whether it be that page that I just showed you or your whiteboard or a blank piece of paper. Any of that will work. I just need you to have something to draw on, okay? All right, so if you need to pause your video and go get that, do that, and then come back and let's get ready for math, all right? So here we go. Now, we have been practicing 2 digits minus 2 digits or two-digit subtraction problems, okay? So today, we're going to take it one step forwards, okay? Let's look at our problem. 45 minus 28 equals blank. Well, we don't know what that is yet, right? If you remember back to Friday's lesson, we were drawing base 10 blocks to help us figure it out. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, remember, we start by drawing the first number, which is 45. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, did you do that? I'm going to pause, and I want you to draw 45. Okay? All right, so we have shown that our first number is 45, and we are subtracting or taking away 28. Now, where do we always start? Doesn't matter if it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, it doesn't matter. We always start in the ones, okay? So how many ones am I trying to subtract? I am trying to subtract 8, okay? Now let's look at our problem. I need to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, wow. What do I do? I don't have 8 ones. I only have 5 ones, okay? We are going to regroup, okay? Now, I'm going to use my red so that you can see what I do, okay? I know that 1 10-rod is the same thing as 10 1 cubes, right? Do you remember that? See how this is all kind of working together? 1 10-rod is the same thing as 10 1 cubes, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it away, and I'm going to break it apart into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 45. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same thing, just broken apart a little bit different. Now, do I have 8 ones that I can take away? I do, right? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Did you see what I did? Didn't have enough ones, so I regrouped a 10 rod into 10 ones, and then I subtracted 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, how many 1 cubes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 in my ones place. I'm not finished. Now I have to subtract 2 tens. We subtracted 8 ones. Now we have to subtract 2 tens. 1, 2. How many 10 rods do I have left? 1. So when I'm finished, 45 minus 28 equals 17. Okay? You can't forget that we still have to take away the tens or subtract those 10 rods. Okay? Let's do another one. Erase your board, or if you have a blank piece of paper that you had to write on, just find another open space and draw you another one. Okay? Here we go. 52 minus 17. Step 1. Draw this number. Okay, we're going to draw 52. That's 5 10 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 1 cubes. 1, 2. All right, we're subtracting 17. Remember, we always start with the ones. Always. Even though you're like, oh, it'd be easier if I started with the tens. It doesn't matter. Always start with the ones. Okay? We have 2 ones and we need to subtract 7. Can we do that? No, we cannot. Okay? So, we have to get some more ones. Do you remember how we did that? Remember? We said we know that 1 10 rod is the same thing as 10 1 cubes. So we regrouped. So now, instead of 2 1 cubes, I have 10, 11, 12 1 cubes. Can I take away 7 from 12? Yes, I can. Here we go. So, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? How many 1 cubes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 1 cubes left. Okay? Now, I have to take away the 10 rods. I need to take away 1 10 rod. Okay? How many 10s are left? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put a 3 in my 10s place. So 52 minus 17 equals 35. Okay? Let's try another one. All right. Uh-oh. I did it again. There we go. All right, I messed it up again this time. 43 minus 19. All right. Step 1. Every time, draw this first number. 43. 43 we know is the same thing as 4 10s and 3 1s. So let's draw that now. Okay, so draw it on your board. 1, 2, 3, 4 10s and 3 1s. Okay? I'm going to Give you a minute to make sure you have 43 drawn. All right. Now, we are trying to subtract 19 from this number. Okay? I have 3 ones, and I'm trying to take away 9 ones. Can I do that? No. Okay? I only have 3. I cannot take away 9. So what do I need to do? Say it with me. Regroup. Regroup. We're going to regroup a 10 rod in a different way. One 10 rod is the same thing as 10 ones. Let's do that now. Make sure you're following along with me and doing what I'm doing. All right. So regroup a 10 rod into 10 ones. Give you a minute just to make sure you're all with me. Okay. So I had 3 ones. And I needed to take away 9, and I cannot subtract 9 from 3. So now I don't have 3 ones. I have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. Can I subtract 9 from 13? Yes. Let's do that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 13 minus 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to have a 4 in my ones place. But I'm not done. I subtracted my ones. Now I need to subtract my 10s. I need to take 1 10 rod away. Okay? How many 10 rods are left? 2. So 43 minus 19 equals 24. Good job. All right, here we go. You're going to get a chance to practice one. 27 minus 8. Okay? I want you to practice this one on your own. Draw your first number, subtract the second one. Okay? Draw your first number, subtract your second one. Go ahead and pause your video now and work your problem out and come back to see if you were right. All right, welcome back. Let's see if we were correct. The first thing we do, the first thing you should have done is draw on your first number. 27 minus 8. Now, I have 7 ones. I need to subtract 8. Can I do that? No, I was so close, but I couldn't. All right, so what do we do if we can't subtract the right number? Regroup. Very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now instead of 7 ones, I have 17 ones. Okay. Can I take away 8 now? Sure can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. 7, 8. All right. So now, how many 1 cubes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now, do I have any 10 rods to subtract? No. So how many do I have left? 1. My answer is 19. I hope you got that one right. Let's try one more. All right, here we go. 61 minus 26. Okay? 61 minus 26. Go ahead and pause your video, work this problem out, and come back and see if you were correct. All right, here we go. 61. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens equals 60 plus 1. Okay? We're taking away 26 or subtracting 26. I start with my ones every time. Ones. I have 1. can I take away 6? I cannot. So what do I need to do? Regroup. Here we go. I'm going to take this 10 rod and I'm going to still have 10. It just looks different, right? It's grouped differently because we regrouped it. All right. Now can I subtract 6? Yes, because I have 11 now. We're going to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? How many 1 cubes do I have left? 5. And then I move on to my 10s. I need to subtract 2 10s. 1, 2. I have 1, 2, 3 10s left. 30 or 61 minus 26 equals 35. All right. We are going to be working on this page right here, 3.7, okay? I want you to figure out the answers to these problems. Remember, draw your pictures. Draw your pictures. Draw your pictures. Even if you think, I got this, Miss Gates, I know exactly what to do. I want you to draw your pictures, okay? If you want to do it like Miss Gates did it, if you want to show your regrouping in red, that's fine too. I know a couple of you already do that, and I think that's great, okay? Draw your pictures, do your regrouping. I'm going to give you a hint. One of our problems on this page does not need regrouping, all right? So let me see if you can guess or figure out, not guess, we don't want to guess. We want to figure it out. Which one does not need regrouping? All right, I will see you guys in math group in just a little while. Have a great afternoon.